Welcome to the Idea Yard installation scenarios. Here we'll show you the possibilities of installing the software on your boat or online. As you most probably know, Idea runs inside the browser of any computer, tablet or mobile phone. On your yard, it can be installed either on a normal personal computer or on a dedicated server. Both solutions allow you to use multiple clients, either PCs, tablet computers like iPads or Android devices, and mobile phones. Alternatively, you can install on protected and secured Idea data solution servers in our German data center. This way you would use the software like any other software purely online over the internet. This can be done from the boat or from anywhere else in case you would like to cooperate with your management company or crew members working on shore. Last but not least, Idea can be installed in a combined way. An onboard server which allows you to work 24/7 on the vessel even in areas with weak internet coverage. Regular replication with the Idea replication engine allows to cooperate with partners all over the world, like owners' offices or management companies. This way you combine the best of both solutions: fast and reliable access to your data from everywhere, plus data security and safety of a German data center.